What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube, and well, today we have some bad news. And the bad news is with my truck. It is a 2019 Ram Laramie Sport. It's brand new and I've had it for about 5 months. So this is what the problem is. Yesterday, I'm trying to move it out of my driveway. I wake up in the morning, trying to move it out. As I'm going forward, it just started hesitating to try to jump on its own when I'm not even putting my foot on the throttle. So it was like so weird. I'm like, okay, what's going on? Then all the sensors turned off, front, back, everything. It just all disabled. And then I was like, okay, so what is going on right now? And then the check engine light went on, and then it said throttle service or something like that. And then once I got that message, I was just so confused. I'm like, it's a brand new truck. How could something like this happen to? And well, I called Anthony and I was like, yo, this just happened. He goes, yeah, there's a recall on them. So I guess there's a recall on them now, and I'm gonna take it into service and see what the situation is. I'm gonna show you guys around my truck real quick for those of you guys who are kind of new to this channel. And by the way, it is really dirty. I was supposed to clean it today because it's such a nice day out, but unfortunately I have to take it into service today. So let's check out the truck real quick. So here's the truck, guys. It has the 22s, the sport hood with all the different vents, also the color. I know you guys might have thought it was silver, gray, black. Well, no, it's not. This is how it looks in the sun. It's called Maximum Steel. Look at that. It is such a beautiful color. As you guys can see, it looks like I went off-roading with it. Well, let's step inside. Let me show you guys around in there real quick. So now that we're in the truck, let me just show you guys a few things. I got the big screen. Let me turn it on for you guys. Alright, let's load a little faster.
2 hours later.
But you got the climate, you got the controls. It literally has everything. This is the coolest part of it. Look at this. Front. No, this is rear. This is the top view. This is rear again. This is the front. Look how cool it is. It has many cameras. It even parks itself right here. It has a lot of things. Also leather all around. Panoramic sunroof. This truck pretty much has every single possible option that you could have on the Ram. I believe the sticker price was $65,000. So it is a fully loaded truck and I absolutely love this truck. I've never had anything bad go wrong with this truck besides this right now. So we're gonna take it in the dealer and hopefully they could fix the problem, and maybe they could give me a rental. Okay, me having a few cars does not give them excuse not to give me a rental, so maybe they could give us a cool rental that we could make some sort of video with. So anyways, I hope you guys are in for an awesome video. Let's head to the dealership and see what they got to say. So I'm almost at the dealership, guys, and my main concern of all of this is, what if I was in traffic and this happened and it started hesitating to go and hit the car in front of me? There's a reason why all the blind spots disabled, because it wouldn't be their fault, you know, because the blind spot's supposed to stop you from hitting the person in front of you. Or if you're reversing, that's what it does to me. It brakes for me. So it disabled all of that, and a good thing I was only in my driveway. If I was on the road like this, and it started hesitating when I'm trying to stop, and it just hits the car in front of me, then whose fault would that be? Obviously mine, because there's no way for me to prove that this happened because of a recall. But I'm just thankful that this did not happen in traffic, because if it did, well, it wouldn't have ended good, okay? It wouldn't have ended. I mean, what if I was at a traffic light and there's a person walking and the car started to hesitate to go and it hits the person? I know I might be overthinking, but these are all scenarios that could actually happen. And on top of that, I did not get a letter in the mail saying there was a recall on this car or there was a recall on a part on this car. Nothing like that. But I'm pulling up to the service right now, but I'm pulling up to the dealership right now, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated with what is gonna go on. So we're in here right now, waiting to be seen. Alright guys, so
I need your information.
okay, cool. So he just put that in here to see what is up with it. So we're trying to get a rental right now. There's the truck. So right now we're about to get the rental. It is a minivan, so it's kind of silly, but we're gonna see if the Ram takes way too long in there, we could trade it for something else. But I'm gonna show you guys the van right now. So we're gonna do a quick walk around. It looks good. Oh, on 85 too, huh? That's good, because all my cars are on the 85.
Are they?
Yep. So this is an 85 car. Oh God. Minivan it is, I guess. Rental right here, and then the truck right here. So we're gonna leave that. We're gonna hop in the rental right now. Oh, I'm gonna be a soccer dad, I guess, or a soccer mom. Alright guys, so I've traded all my cars in and got a minivan. I'm ready to start a family. I'm gonna have Billy sitting right there, James right there, and Savannah in the back. I just came up with 3 names for my kids. So yeah, this is pretty much gonna be the YouTube channel. It's gonna go from street racing sports cars into street racing minivans. Sorry guys, I gotta do what I gotta do. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, I'm here at the dealership. I'm gonna check out some of their cars and see what new inventory they have. I always like to check out their cool cars. This is the #1 Dodge dealership in the country, so they always have some pretty sick cars. So here's a new Sublime Challenger with an SRT hood, even though it's not a SRT at all. So they brought back the Sublime Green, as you can see. This was a 2015 color, and they brought it back in 2019. Alright guys, so I pretty much got tired of looking at Dodge cars. Everything's starting to look all the same. The SRT looks like the Hellcat. I mean everything. The SXT looks like a Hellcat now. So I've pretty much gotten tired of it. So we're just gonna leave and get on our way home, and then I'll pick up the camera once I get home to kind of talk to you guys about what is exactly gonna go on and why am I in this minivan. We are home. I'll show you guys the new soccer mom van I'll be whipping around. Whew, she is looking good today. What a perfect car to drive on this beautiful sunny day. All right guys, so all jokes aside, the Ram is at the dealership right now. So there's a few things going on with the Ram. #1, there's a wireless charger in the center console, so you just slide your phone in there and it charges. That stopped working like the 2nd, 3rd day I got the truck. Haven't had time to bring it in, so that's one of the first things that's gonna get fixed. Also, there's a recall on some vacuum thing. I don't know what it is. He didn't really get into details with that, but there's a recall on that. They're gonna take care of that. Also, on top of that, they're obviously gonna fix the main problem, which is the throttle service. I don't know what that means, but I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the throttle, and that's gonna get fixed. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. I know I'm not gonna have that minivan for long because I'm gonna take it back. He said they have a 392 or something cooler, because I have a pretty cool truck and they're gonna have me riding around in a minivan. Yeah, that's not gonna happen at all. So I'm just gonna let it go and take it for today, and tomorrow I'm gonna call them and tell them what cars they have available for me to switch out, because I just don't see myself driving a minivan.
So, I think you got the rental car, right?
Yeah, I do.
So, if you want to just keep the loaner car, if everything's okay with that, and that way we can just get it fixed, in one visit for you. Because he's got, part of the console and stuff apart on it. That'll save him the hassle, kind of putting it back together and taking it back apart. The other issue with the drivability problem, there is looks like a software update on the power control module for the hesitation. I think there might have been a service bulletin out for that issue, which we performed. We did drive it about 20 miles to see if we can get it to happen again, and right now it's not happening, so I'm assuming it's fixed. And then we got the recall he's working on. Yeah, so we should be good.
So
I'll give you a call.
quick question. The check engine light that came on, what was that for?
Yes, that was for the software update.
Oh, okay.
It had a fault code in there for a vacuum leak, which when we test it right now, there's no vacuum leaks. So I think it was like a false fault code, if you will, because of this software fix. So that's why we drove it, just to see, if we can get anything to occur, again on it. And after we did that software update, that vacuum leak fault code is not reoccurring.
Okay. So basically,
appears to have been taking care of it.
Cool. Okay. So basically, the charging station will take about 3 to 4 days for it to come in, and then and then the
Yeah.
recall you're taking care of, and then after that I should be able to get my truck back.
Right. So I'll call you Friday. I'm hoping it'll be here Friday, because today's already Tuesday, so I think the third day. If not, it'd be probably Monday. So.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll touch base with you on Friday, though, and let you know either way.
Okay, perfect, man. Thank you. I appreciate.
All right.
I appreciate the call. Thank you. All right.
No problem.
Bye.
Have a good one. All right. Bye.
So next thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna pull out the Mustang, and then we're gonna give it a nice wash, because honestly we have been kind of neglecting it, and I haven't washed it lately because it's been raining, it's been cold, there hasn't been a nice day for us to clean it. And today, 70 degrees, sunny, perfect day to wash the car. Alright guys, so we got the Mustang right here. It's such a tight fit because I have my Hellcat over here with the trailer and isn't too much room up here, so I just put it up there for now, and here's where I'm gonna wash it. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I use to wash. So this from Adams, then we got this is the car shampoo. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open the car shampoo up and put it in here like this, and then I'm gonna empty this, fill it up like an inch with this stuff. This is the foam shampoo because this is the foam cannon, so this is pretty much the foam cannon. So we're gonna use this to spray the Mustang. I'm gonna show you guys that process as well. Put some of this in here, then I'm gonna fill the rest up with water. So I filled this up, and then I filled this up, and now I'm gonna rinse the car first, then I'm gonna simply attach this to this, and then we're gonna foam it up. Alright guys, so I put it back in the garage. As you guys can see, it is so clean finally. Now I just have to dry it all off. And what I'm going to use to dry off is a blower. Yes, a blower. Let me show you guys around. Got the tire shine. This car is so hard to clean because it's black. And then, you know, it gets dirty in a few seconds. It looks so good though. Oh, I gotta shut the door. Well, actually, let's look in there. I had to clean the whole inside of it. The Recaro seats are cleaned up. And let's show you guys one last look at it. Look how clean it's looking. Alright guys, so it's been such a long day. The Ram is in the shop. We gotta figure that out. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to get fixed. I'm gonna try tomorrow to go and swap out that rental because I just don't see myself in a van. That's just not gonna work out. So we'll see. Hopefully we can get the 392 and have some fun with it, make some videos with that. Or should we straight pipe that minivan? Let me know in the comments below if you guys think it's a good idea to straight pipe the minivan. The Mustang is clean, had a long day. Ram is at the shop. The Hellcat can't get towed anywhere since the Ram is at the shop. So, well, actually not at the shop, at the dealer. Let's say that, okay? But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But with that being said, it's time to let you guys go. So if you guys liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos. And be part of the family. Make sure you're also following my social media. My Instagram is ToxicSRT. And my Snapchat is ToxicSRT as well. And well, now I'm gonna shut my mouth and let you guys go. Peace out.